Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition Variable Camshaft Timing Cam Phaser Kit. Now this kit includes a lot of components, so we're going to go over each component. And this specific kit fits the Ford 4.6 liter and 5.4 liter V8 engine, which is found in vehicles from 2005 to 2010, including the Ford F-150 and Expedition. You can see the complete vehicles on the website. So first thing I want to go over is the actual cam phasers that are included in here. If you'll notice here, these are actually, these come completely vacuum sealed and pre-oiled. So you want to make sure you keep these closed until you open them for the installation, and that avoids any sort of contamination or rust or oxidation on it. So the kit includes 2 of the camshaft phasers. The other thing the kit includes is the actual camshaft phaser actuators. So these actuators over here, there's one for each of the camshafts. And these pretty much install in the exact reverse order. They're held in place by one screw, and they come out. And this is what actually works with the phaser to actually actuate the phaser. So this actually installs in the cylinder head here through the center, and that's actually what controls the oil pressure going to the phaser. Now the other components that are included are, there's 2 phaser bolts that are included. You don't want to reuse the factory bolts that hold the phaser to the camshaft. Those are one-time use bolts, so those need to be replaced. And then over here, we have 4 different seals that are included here. And I want to talk about these 4 seals. You're only going to use one size of the seal. So if you'll see here, there's 2 big seals here, and there's 2 small seals. So you're either going to use the big one here or the small one here. The center holes are the same. Depending on the exact year of your vehicle, you might use the big one or the small one. So we include both. That way there's no sort of issues with getting the kit and having the wrong seal. So we include both of those. So you'll want to look at the factory seal when you remove it and pick either the big one or the small one, match it up to your factory seal. And then we also include there's 4 bolts here. Only 2 of them are actually going to be used. The other two are extra. But these are the actual bolts that secure the phaser actuator to the cylinder head. So that's everything that's included in this kit. If you have any questions about the kit, any of the components, if it fits your vehicle, anything to do with installation, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.